my God. Dude, that was like a 6-pounder. Oh, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. I got the net. Should I get it?
I got it. Yes, dude.
What the hell?
Walleye, baby.
Look at that.
This is my second walleye from here. Back in 2015, I was told that these were stocked in here, and I didn't believe it until last year, and I caught my first one. And now we got the second one. Beautiful walleye. Slow retrieve, Tommy. Off the bottom. Beautiful fish.
Oh my God. Guys, look where we're fishing. We're literally fishing like a glorified pond, and Justin just caught a walleye, so.
It's a pretty nice one too. I mean, it's not bad. All the fish in here are like Geneva strain, so.
All right, guys, we're gonna snag a few pigs. All right, well, that I guess pretty much kicks off the intro. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. Today we are out here, we were going for crappie. Me and Justin, I was on this morning, actually filming a video. Turned out to go to and I called him at like 7:45 in the morning. Today's gonna be like a multi-species send is pretty much like what we're doing. And there's smallmouth in here and there's walleye. And Justin was saying that this lake slash like pond is literally stocked with like Geneva fish. So there's walleye and smallmouth literally from Lake Geneva. So, and the crappie might be too, but out here with Justin, literally just caught a walleye. Literally unreal. I can't believe that just happened. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw you guys in the chest. Just kind of wanted to like explain what we're doing. And I also want to say thank you for all the support. We finally got monetized on YouTube, got the 4,000 hours watched, and that wouldn't be possible without you guys. So strap in for an epic, I guess, multi-species send. Here we go. All right, guys, so I'm throwing the net right now. Justin is throwing the twister tail thing.
Pink jig head, white twister tail.
That's
Never
what
go wrong with that.
And that's what he caught the walleye on too. That was so, dude, that was crazy. I thought it was a smallmouth, honestly.
I didn't, because there was a lot of head shakes. I thought it was either a carp in the tail or.
There's carp right here too?
Crappie. Yeah.
What is this? Is this a lake, pond?
I'd say it's a small lake, to be honest, but it's considered a pond, I guess.
There's walleye in here. That is so messed up. All right, guys, quick update. I am tired as I still have no sleep from the night before. We didn't catch anything after Justin caught that walleye. Crappie bite is super slow. We did have a few bites. Like I did have actually 2 on, but they just popped off. Justin is gonna take us now for largemouth bass, and hopefully we can catch a few, because I need some activeness. I need to wake up a little bit, and I'm literally drinking like 3 energy drinks, so hopefully I don't have a heart attack. But all right, we made it to the pond. I'll give you guys a quick glance. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm throwing the X Zone Net Zone in the green pumpkin with purple flake. We are going for the largies.
We caught fish today.
It was a solid 2, 2.5.
Okay, they got red eyes here. Would work well.
It honestly probably would work pretty well. I'm going to that drain part.
Got one.
No way, dude. I was just there.
They're like right off the shore. Ah! Didn't keep his head down.
Guys, literally my GoPro died right before I caught this thing. Check this out though. This is a decent one. There it is. Finally. Finally nailed one. Literally right out of this drain pipe. Oh, and Justin has one. Mine's bigger. Dude, this is like a 3.
Yeah.
It's pissing on me. All right, guys, for the release.
Put your phone right next to your rod.
All right, so not even the last fish. All these fish are being caught in the X Zone lures, the Net Zone. If you guys want to get anything, 20% off using the code Tommy. But I have the biggest fish of the day, pretty much like 3, 3.25. Justin has the most fish, and Trevor still needs to get his.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks like they're right off the bank.
Exactly what they are.
Oh my God, dude, that was like a 6-pounder.
Break you off?
Yeah, broke me off. I gotta go back to the car again. Dude, that thing literally swallowed it, dude. Yeah. That was a big one. That was easily a 6-pounder. All right, guys, I don't know if you just saw that, but I was literally reeling up like right here, and a giant fish literally just broke me off. Dude, like, look at this.
Dang, you're shaking, dude. 6-pounders get you going like that?
No, that's all the caffeine, nicotine, and yeah.
Holy dude.
From not eating.
You might have a heart attack.
I cannot believe I snapped off on a 6-pounder. That's heartbreaking. That would have been my biggest bass of the year.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, it just sucks that I'm tired. Like, I don't know why I set the hook like that.
What did you set it like?
Like a bowfin. I literally just put the meat. Dude, I saw it and I was in shock. Oh my gosh, that angers the out of me, dude. Right here is what I get for not sleeping. I am so pissed at myself for losing that 6-pounder. You know, why wouldn't I hit a bass when my GoPro's not on? Little one. Justin caught a goldfish.
This one's not that big. It's only 2 pounds, and it's not as vibrant, but thing's sick.
Nice.
Fantail and everything.
Honestly, if I snag and break off again, I'm gonna take an intermission. All right, guys, so I have 2 bass. I am still super pissed off that I broke off. I know I'm like making excuses, but it's just like I'm so tired. I'm just like making dumb mistakes. Like, I have never set the hook like that on any bass in my life where I've just absolutely cranked it. I don't know, it's just dumb mistakes. The bright side is I do have a 3-pounder though, so I can't complain too much. It's just that 6-pound bass literally would have made my day. Honestly, it was so big. It would have been my biggest of 2020. I'm on. Inhaled the X zone. That's a decent one. That's probably another long one. Camera doesn't really do it justice, but probably 2.5, 3. Not bad. Finally, the first hookup on camera. You guys should just see me holding. Oh. Well, at least I got a few hookups for you on camera. Justin has a goldfish. Justin has like 7. That is my 3rd of the day. The drive home tonight is gonna be brutal. Yeah. I'm probably gonna sleep for 3 days. You're not gonna hear from me until next Tuesday. No way. You gotta land that thing. Trevor accidentally snagged a goldfish. Yo, you should just reach down and grab it.
Okay.
Don't break that net off.
Yeah.
All right, guys, Trevor with a goldfish. These things are so weird. Nice.
Can you get a picture?
Yeah, I'll grab a quick pic. Nice. All right, guys, so far so good. Everyone at least has a fish today. I'm butthurt that I lost that big fish, but at least I caught a 3-pounder. All right, guys, so quick update. It is 3:40. I am dragging ass. Like I said, I'm on no sleep. I keep repeating myself, but I am super pissed at myself for losing that fish. Honestly, it wasn't just like that I lost it. It was user error. I mean, right when it hit, I was like so shocked to see a fish that big, and I just like popped it as hard as I could, kind of like for the bowfin. It was just stupid move. I'm pissed, but at least I caught a 3-pounder. I have about 3 or 4 bass. I kind of forgot. At least I'm catching them. So we are gonna go back to the crappie spot and hopefully we can catch a few more, or hopefully we can actually catch a few crappie. That's where Justin caught the walleye. I'll keep you guys updated and let you know. But Trevor caught a goldfish and he got his first bass of the day, so at least we all have fish today.
Exactly. So start for me. I'm a little tired like Tommy, but not how you start, it's how you finish.
Justin's calling me and he's right in front of me. I'm gonna ignore it. I will see you guys on the chest. All right, guys, at the crappie spot, I'm literally putting socks on and Justin caught a crappie.
This is so small. I'm just gonna toss it back.
Alrighty, guys, I am refreshed and ready to go. So I didn't really kind of keep you guys informed because I was dead tired. As you know, I'm on no sleep. I've had so many mistakes today, but the day turned out well. We caught a bunch of bass. Even though I lost that 6 to 7-pounder, it happens. I'm not gonna beat myself up for it. I mean, it's just one of those things that I knew going into today on no sleep that there was gonna be a few bumps in the road. So no big deal, we got it done. I'm actually driving back to Wisconsin. I got a 45-minute drive to go for bowfin. So now we're gonna be going for bowfin like we did the one night with Cade, Casey, and Justin. So at like 5:15, we were about to like head over and like actually start fishing for like bluegill, for cutbait and stuff like that. And I was like, guys, I gotta go home. I gotta get some sleep. Like, I was feeling like major ass. So right when I got home, I took about a 2-hour nap, but like after waking up, I felt like actually pretty good. So now we're headed back, going for bowfin. It's really fun to put lights in the water. Lady, we're not just putting lights in the water, we're on a fucking mission. Okay, it's first of the night. Yeah, first of the night.
Having kind of a rough time out here, guys, not gonna lie, but finally got one. It's not that the fishing's bad, it's just we're not seeing that many, but saw this guy right in the nick of time.
Explain about the water clarity.
Yeah, the water clarity is not very good either. It's pretty murky, not even from the rain that we've had from the boat traffic, I think. But first of the night, it's a really good sign. It's a big one. We're about to get a weight measurement.
How much is it weigh?
Saying 713. We're gonna take it one more time just to clarify. Now, this thing should be way heavier by its length.
How long is it?
28 inches. It's a long ass bowfin.
28?
Yeah. God damn, dude, that should be like 8 or 9 pounds.
Nice. That hook set was sweet too. All right, guys, it's like 2:30 in the morning. I'm dead tired, 2 hours of sleep. Overall, today as a whole was probably one of my biggest mistakes I've ever made. I'll probably never do that again. Like staying up all night. I mean, my whole goal staying up all night was to launch that lake and fish it. But when I was out there and talked to all those people out there and like, it was just like an awful day. And I gave Justin a call. I didn't know I was gonna go out with Justin and do like that whole thing from all the way from bass fishing all the way to bowfin like all night long. So I definitely would not have done that, and I'm probably never gonna do that again because it's just terrible. I felt like all day long. I was able to catch a few good fish. Justin did really well today. Trevor caught a few fish. Till this moment, I am super butthurt about losing that bass. Like no joke. Like it wasn't like oh that was a 6-pounder story. Like that was truly a very big fish, and like I have never set the hook like that ever in my life. Like I literally just like yanked it when like it should have just been like a nice like quick pull because the way it hit. I don't know why I did that. My knot was fine. I just stupid moment, and I'm definitely gonna learn for this, but this is by far my biggest mistake I have made when bass fishing or just fishing in general by staying up all night. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 4:00 p.m. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna sleep till like next Friday, and I will see you guys soon.